Hey folks, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a Xbox PowerA. This is the wired controller. It is a blue version. When I got it, this was peeled off, so I don't know what happened. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. Wow, it's falling apart. Alrighty. So, looks like the cord is separate. It's not like attached to the controller, which is great. I love that. I love that. I don't like it attached to the controller because then I can swap out to another cord. This is a hefty cord, by the way. It's pretty long too. Wow. This is why people like it. I mean, the quality is pretty good. So as you can see, this is like square right here. And that's square in there, so it may not fit some of the other stuff. Okay, all right, not bad. It's pretty tight in there once I plug it in, so it's not like it's loose, because you know with micro USB, right, it's usually very loose if it just dangle there. That's one flaws about micro USB, but I'm glad they made it to where they squared it off so that it will stay put in there. That's nice. Okay. All right. Respect for me right there. So first thing first, let's look at this right here. Obviously, the usual Xbox button and all that good stuff. The button feels nice. It feels like a first party button. The thumbstick is okay. It's not the best, but it does have a good feel to it. Now, thumbstick to me feels a little small. I don't know. Let me take out the Xbox controller. Yeah, I mean, the thumbstick is about the same size as the Xbox controller. So, that's not bad. You do have yourself a mic port right here, just like the Xbox controller. The thing though is that, take a look at this, okay? The volume button is right here. So you can go volume up or volume down right here. And then, oh, okay, you press into it to mute. That's pretty unique. I say that's a plus right there. That's a huge plus for me, at least. It's got all the buttons that the Xbox S and X controller would have. You see that? All three right here. So that's good right there. So all the buttons are there. Top shoulder button. Feels good. It feels good. It feels just like the that controller right there. The special thing that I'm noticing is there's a button back here and also two buttons on the side right here. So you would hold your hand and this is where you would be pushing stuff. Very interesting. I don't know what this button is though. Maybe you can customize it, I don't know, but yeah, it does come with some extra sets of buttons. I'm assuming that you can customize it. The only difference, guys, that I can really see right now is literally this right here is super valuable. Volume up and down, mute button when you press it, and then extra buttons. Everything else feels pretty good. I mean, it's about the size of a Xbox controller. But hey, it's affordable. And look at the color though. It looks fantastic. All right, not bad. I want to give them that. All right, well, that's it for me right there. That's the first look at this pretty cool wired controller.